Google is no longer a search engine, it's becoming an answer engine. With AI overviews stealing the spotlight, what's more, Google recently has rolled out Google AI mode, which is rolled out for users in India, US, UK, and other regions too. But here is the real question that I want to ask to content creators, SEOs, and marketers out there. Is your website or content getting cited in AI overviews? In this video, I will show you exactly whether your website ranks in AI overviews or not. In addition to this, I am going to also share how to optimize your website and content so that you can show more up in AI overviews and Google AI mode. Hey everyone, this is Shubham from DemandSage. Let's get straight into the video. What are AI overviews? Before we move ahead with the video, when you Google anything, there are AI summaries which appears at the top of the search results. Google pull information from different web pages and try to put it all together. And that's what you called as AI overviews. For different sections, you will be getting different links, which you can see in the screenshot here, which I'll be putting. AI overviews are showing up more and more in different regions. For example, India, US, UK, Canada, Japan, Brazil, and so on. Across different verticals, health, finance, edtech, and more. AI overviews are on the rise. Around 13.14% of all queries triggers AI overviews on Google search, as per the latest study done by Semrush. Along with that, informational content is most likely to trigger AI overviews. For example, 88.1% of the queries that trigger an AI overviews are informational. Now, I'm going to walk you step by step how to check whether your website rank in AI overviews or not. Alright, let's start with Semrush. I will show you 4 ways where you can check the rankings of your website on AI overviews. I am also going to share a few manual ways other than Semrush, but in case if you don't have a Semrush account, don't worry, we have partnered up with Semrush to give you a 14 days exclusive free trial where you can test all the features without paying a single dime. Now, here's the method 1, position tracking tool. Now I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of 10 seconds of Semrush interface. First of all, once you are going to log in, you are going to land up to the SEO dashboard and you can see all different toolkits like SEO toolkit, AI toolkit, local SEO, traffic and market, content, social, ads, reports, and app center. Now the first method was to check your AI overviews ranking using position tracking. So what you need to do is go on position tracking, click on it. You have to add your project here. For position tracking, you have to add your project here. For example, let's create a project. I'm going to enter like our project here, which is DemandSage. Now we are going to create one project here, which is demandsage.com, and you can give it a name. Let's say it's DemandSage. I'll change the name a bit. We'll say it as DemandSage. And now we are creating a project here. Once you are going to create a project, you can get the option of different search engines. In fact, you can check for Google, Bing, Baidu, ChatGPT, AI mode. I'm also going to talk about how to check your rankings in Google AI mode too, but let's first go for Google. So for this, I'm going to select a country, let's say like United States, and business example, I can just keep it as DemandSage and continue to track keywords. Now I have option to track like a few different keywords from here, or I can directly import from like Semrush suggestions too. Like I'm going to import a few keywords from Semrush suggestions here. For example, I have covered a lot of content related to average income, how much does TikTok pay per view, how much does TikTok pay, annual income, and all these are the common suggestions which was given by like Semrush only. You can manually enter your keyword here for which you want to check your rankings for. Now I'm going to click on start tracking. Now once you're done tracking up your setting, adding your domain, it's going to take a while, probably 5 to 7 minutes in order to populate the data for you so that you can check out the rankings. I have already populated the data way before the video, so I'm going to show you that how exactly to check whether your website ranks in AI overviews with position tracking tool of Semrush. Once your project is set up, this is how exactly your screen is going to look like to track your AI overviews ranking. Let's get straight into it. So this is the landscape where you can get a summary of how your website ranks in AI overviews along with visibility, estimated traffic, and average position. So once you scroll down, you can also check out the top keywords here. You can check positive and negative impacts for your keyword. Now you need to go to the overview section where you are going to check like how exactly your site is ranking. Boom. So for the first keyword, which is how many followers to go live on TikTok, we are hitting like AI overviews. Our website is showing up, our content is showing up in AI overviews. Then the next keyword, AI Shopify free trial, which is again getting cited in AI overviews. So this was the first method, how exactly you can check AI overviews ranking of your website using position tracking tool of Semrush. Now let's move to section 2, which is organic research tool. Using this tool, you can easily figure out whether your website ranks in AI overviews or not. Bonus tip is for you. If you are a website owner or an SEO or a content person, you can easily steal your competitors' AI strategy by putting their website in this tool and figuring out how many keywords they are ranking for in AI overviews and how many they are not ranking for. So let's get straight into this method and buckle up yourself. This is a real eye opener where you are going to exactly know the total number of keywords for which your website ranks for in AI overviews as of now. This is the organic research tool of Semrush. This is very clear. It falls under the SEO dashboard section. What you need to do is enter the domain name here, which goes by the name I'm entering my domain name here, which is DemandSage.com. You can even select the countries. I'm keeping US, and you can search for it. Once you see all this data, you can see the number of keyword, traffic, and all these things. You just have to scroll down a bit, and here is the serve features. You have to select from here like different search features which you want to select: knowledge panel, top stories, recipes, jobs, and everything. For now, I'm going to remove all the other filters here. People also ask, and AI overviews I'm going to keep. So you can see it here. In the last 6 months, you can see the trend. In Feb, we have only 7 AI overviews keywords showing up for DemandSage. Then in March, it was 69. Then in April, it's 128. May, it's 220. Then in June, it's 773. And now in July, it's 1880. You can easily scroll down here and check the serve feature. These are the serve features for which the website ranks for. Boom, here is the AI overview. So once you click on AI overviews, you are going to get all the data for which your domain ranks for in AI overviews. For me, for DemandSage, we are ranking for generic terms like how many people play Roblox, Walmart stores in USA, how many does TikTok pay per views, and there are different set of keywords for which we are getting cited in AI overviews. Once I'm going to go towards the overview section of the organic research toolkit, not linking to domain, this feature exactly tells you for what all the keywords your website doesn't show up in the AI overviews. So for which these are all the keywords for which my website is not showing up in AI overviews, for which I need to optimize and I need to work on it. Using the Semrush organic research tool, this is how you can figure out for how many keywords your website ranks in AI overviews. For example, if you have a competitor, what you need to do is take their domain, put it on the organic research toolkit, scroll down, check the serve feature, and figure out what are the keywords they are ranking for. So you can also build your AI strategy for your brand or website or your client you are working for. Now, method 3, domain overview. Using this method, you can exactly see the percentage of keywords ranking in AI overviews. For this, you need to log into your Semrush account and head over directly towards the domain overview. Let me show you how. So once you are on your Semrush account, you just have to go to the domain overview section and enter your domain name here. Like for example, let's say I'm entering mine, which is DemandSage.com. Domain overview, you just have to enter. Once you go to the domain overview section, you are going to see some of the overview details of your organic search and all. So once you scroll down to the search feature sections, you can see here different type of search features like featured snippet, image packs, FAQs, and other things. Now you can see for DemandSage around 1880 keywords are there cited in AI overviews, and the total is 25,220. Out of total 25,227 queries, DemandSage gets cited in AI overviews around for keywords 1880, which gives us 7.45% shares of all the keywords here. Using domain overview feature, you can directly figure out what's the percentage of your website keywords are showing up in the AI overviews. For DemandSage is 7 point something percentage. For your website, you can check in a similar way too. Not only that, you can check your search rankings for different search features like people also ask image packs, like FAQs, and so on. Now Google has recently launched AI mode, which is somewhat similar to ChatGPT, where you get your answers in a conversational style. Now what I'm going to do is, this is a bonus method which I have added where you can track your website rankings on Google AI mode using Semrush. I'm going to go to the dashboard and show you how exactly you can do that too. In order to do that, you just have to go to position tracking, and in position tracking, once you come to the position tracking, you can just click on create a project. For the project, you can enter your domain, my domain is DemandSage.com. I'm going to pick my domain. and then I'm going to give this project as DemandSage. So I'm going to give this project name as DS. Once you are going to give, now you can do the targeting from here. Now just understand this thing, this Google AI mode rank tracking is in beta phase, so you might be getting limited features. Now I can enter the country here, I can skip this, I can add DemandSage, continue to keywords. You can add any keywords here, for example chat GPT statistics or anything which is relevant to your brand. For this I'm going to import from Semrush suggestions, which will import 10 keywords at a time. So right now you can see average income, how much does it make and all. And once you're done adding, you just have to click on start tracking. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Now I have already added the project for Google AI mode, which I'm going to show you how exactly it looks like. Once your project is added and the data is populated, you can easily see the summary here, where you can see the visibility and average position. Unfortunately, the estimated traffic, it's not showing up because I have only added 10 keywords here, which you can see it on the screen right now. Chat GPT users, how many people play Minecraft and all. So once you're going to add more keywords, you can easily see the estimated traffic, and also you can see the ranking distribution. The yellow one denotes the top 3, and the blue one denotes it's 4 to 10. Now you can see the positions of the keywords and all. Average annual income, average yearly income, Chat GPT monthly active users, national average salary. So this is the method you can use in order to track the rankings on AI mode using Semrush. Now this is the method which you can use in order to track the rankings in Google AI mode, where you can easily track out how your website and content performs exactly there. Not only this, if you are a SEO, or you are running an SEO agency, or you are an digital marketer or someone, you can utilize and make use of this early release of the feature by Semrush in order to figure out how your website performs in Google AI mode. Only 50 AI mode keywords per account. It's only available for US market, desktop results only, no support for estimated traffic or search volume. Some of the pro tips to rank in AI overviews. Again, this is very subjective, because what are the tips I am going to share from my end, which I have applied on my website, which is demandsage.com, along with several other my internal projects, along with some of the client projects too. Here are the 4 things which you need to do in order to increase your chances of ranking in AI overviews. Target question-based keywords. How, what, why, when, should I? These kind of questions will give you edge in order to perform better in AI overviews. Why? Because this is not traditional engine. For example, let's say I am the user and I'm trying to buy a MacBook M4 for me. I'm going to type, should I buy a MacBook M4 or not? I'm not going to type best MacBooks for marketers. So this is how, if you can target your questions and align your content accordingly, where it's more of towards questions and more of towards answering those queries in a broader way, it increases the chances of you showing up in the AI overviews. Structure your content clearly in bullet points, in paragraphs, in headings. Make sure your content is well formatted. For example, H1, H2s, H3s, H4s, along with you can use subheadings, you can use paragraphs, you can use bullet points. Use trusted citations, especially in the health, finance, and your money and your life niche. You need to make sure all the external links which you are giving or citing, it's off from the well-known trusted resources, not some generic website which looks spam. Cover multiple perspectives in your content. Don't go for generic keywords like best laptops for marketers. Optimize the content in a way which is built in an overall way to cater users in all the ways possible. Google prefers well-rounded answers which it can show to the user so that it can help them in order to make a decision. And don't forget about platforms like Quora, YouTube, Reddit, and Threads. Google AI often cites other platform contents where they push more of user-generated content, threads, subreddits, videos and all. So make sure you are not forgetting that, and you are also engaging in meaningful conversation for your brand. Now you can track industry trends using Semrush sensors. It's an additional toolkit which you can utilize in order to track AI overviews in a different industry and segment. I'm going to log into my dashboard and show you how exactly it looks. For Semrush sensor, you can just go and click on the overview section where you are going to see all the categories. For example, let's say I want to check for business and automobile. You can check the search volatility for the last 30 days. You can see here how many featured snippets are there, site links, AI overviews, instant answer and all. For example, for this particular segment, which is business and industry, the AI overviews are kind of for AI overviews, if you can see it here in US, it's a bit volatile and still it's increasing. You can see the score here. For example, let's say we belong to internet and telecom. When I go there and check the SERP volatility for AI overviews, it's kind of increasing. Like in July, you can see the trends, how all the things are like progressing and how AI is taking over in all different segments using Semrush sensor. Now, this was a complete guide and how exactly you can check whether your website ranks on AI overviews or not. I have covered 4 to 5 different methods we can utilize for your websites, whether it's ranking in AI overviews or not. Coming to the second thing, search landscape is changing heavily. Other than the traditional search which we used to have 2 to 3 years back, when you search for best laptop for marketers or best SEO tools, you were seeing 10 links. But right now what is happening, like when you are searching for best SEO tools in Google right now, you are seeing AI overviews, you are seeing AI mode, and in fact many people they are preferring to go towards chat GPT too in order to make informed decisions for what exactly the tool they'll be needing or what decision they should be taking. If you are an SEO or a marketer or a digital marketing person, it's important for you to adapt to these changes which is happening in the search industry as of now. Tracking your rankings and leveling up your game for AI SEO with Semrush, you can easily level up your AI SEO game where you can build the strategies, where you can do rank tracking, where you can do a whole lot of stuff making use of a toolkit like Semrush. If you are new to Semrush and want to test out all the features which they have to offer, I am going to share a 14 days free trial link in the description section which you can check out and sign up without paying a single dime. I hope this video helped you out to understand AI overviews, to track your rankings, to figure out whether your content or website ranks in AI overviews or not. In fact, I have tried adding a few bonuses for you too, which you can utilize, try it out on your website, which can help you in order to perform better in AI overviews and Google AI mode. If you are having any queries I am saying, please do drop a comment in the comment section below. I would love to reply. I would love to help you out if you're facing any difficulty. If you're just having a question about AI SEO or SEO in general where I can share my insights with you, you're more than welcome. Please do drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And using this tutorial, if your website ranks in AI overviews and AI mode, please do come back to this video and drop me a comment there. I'd be the most happiest person seeing. And if your website is already doing better in AI overviews and chat GPT and different search engines, I'd love to have a chat with you. This is Shubham from DemandSage. I will see you in the next video. And if you like the content, please do hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay updated with the cutting edge marketing strategies and SEO trends with me.